You ready to go for a walk? You ready to go for a walk?
How's it going, everyone? This is Sean the Carnivore Trucker, and I'm going to show you how I meal prep. It's very simple how I meal prep. It's just ground beef and salt. I take a 5-pound log of ground beef, and this is 73% lean, 27% fat. That's a good fat protein ratio right there. What's this? And then just kind of mince this up a little bit. There we go, and add some salt, and then mix it up. Just kind of incorporating the salt into it. That's good enough. And then add more salt. If you're concerned about salt usage, I will add a link in the description about it. And then mix it up again, just making sure the salt is spread out throughout the meat pretty good. Now that that's done, take the meat and just make it into a hand-sized patty. Pop her in. Now with these 5 pounds of ground beef, I can usually make about 8 to 9 beef patties like this. And then I'll make a little baby one for Chase. Right, now that I've got them all shaped and whatever, I'm gonna get all this fat off my hands real quick. Even though I'm gonna touch them again, it's just icky. Alright, add some more salt. Flip them over. Add some more salt. Alright, and then I'm going to set it to 350 degrees and I'll cover it. I gotta start my truck because that thing puts a drain on my power converter. So here in a minute, if I don't turn on the truck, my power converter will start beeping at me. But anyway, while that cooks, I'm gonna play Skyrim. And here we go. They're pretty much done. Hold them like this and get some of the grease off. Just a little bit. Put them up here. And there we go. I put them on that plate. Let them cool down just a little bit. Because after they're cooled down, I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags. And for those who don't know, putting hot things in soft plastic causes the phthalates from the plastic to seep into your food. And phthalates is basically in everything. And all of us, it's one of those chemicals. It causes infertility, disrupts our thyroid, a bunch of other stuff. Look them up. Look it up. Phthalates. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let those cool off, and then I'll bag them up and put them in the fridge. Be ready to eat tomorrow. I fasted today. I haven't eaten anything today, so these things are looking good. But I'll have to wait for tomorrow morning. Anyway, that's all I got for y'all today. Y'all drive safe and eat bacon or hamburger patties and keep trucking.